front of me is OUKITEL OKT1, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, just go into Play Store and install an app called Magic Fluids. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Then tap on Open. From this screen here, you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now tap on I accept in the pop-up and finally adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, you need to click on the bottom right corner again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by choosing one of those options. Now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!